Hey y'all, how is everybody doing? Well, a couple of things. I got to put a little liner and mascara on. How's everybody? Y'all, I found my favorite cups from Charleston. This is called Rainbow Row, and it's made by Patsy Gouliette, or maybe it's Gouliette. It looks like Gouliette. Made by Adhesion. Is that right? Anyway, it's the rainbow row of the houses, and the reason they painted them all different colors and pastels was because of the heat. Okay, and that is my delicious coffee, which I want to show y'all. I've got so many things today. This is the coffee I keep telling you guys about. It's a Keurig, but it's the kind that it has the little non-plastic. Where is the picture? Oh, I'm looking right at it. Hello. It's not a plastic cup like a Keurig cup normally is. It's got the, but it works in all K-cup brewers. But it is a 100% Arabica coffee. It's called Garden Isle Medium Roast, and it is from Hawaii, the Koloa Estate. And it says it's grown in rich volcanic soil, touched by abundant mountain rain, warmed by the Pacific sun, and cooled by the gentle Hawaiian trade winds. And y'all, I just have to tell y'all, this is the best coffee. I just love it. I really do. I'll show you one of the little cups so you'll know what I'm talking about. And again, it's called Kauai Coffee. And it comes sealed like this, so I end up throwing this away, and that's why I never can show y'all. But now I've shown you what it looks like. It says, Aloha, happy place. Oh, wait a minute. I got a manufacturer's coupon. Okay, take that off. I don't want to lose that. Look, that was on the side. Look, manufacturer's coupon, good for a year. Oh my gosh, it's already got a little vent hole. It's 12 single pods. It's got a Best By date on it. And so they're very serious about their coffee, y'all. Being fresh and good and wonderful in every single way. Can't wait to smell it. Gosh, that is so good. But this is what I meant by the little pods are little filter pods. They're not plastic. That little rim is, but at least it's not as much. Again, it's Garden Isle from Kauai Coffee. And they have a couple of other ones, but Garden Isle is my favorite. It's more like a medium coffee. Anyway, it's very, very flavorful. So those of you that like coffee, I would only have 1 cup of this because it's strong coffee. I'm trying to work to get to caffeine-free coffee. But if I have some coffee, I have some coffee. What are some other things I wanted to show y'all? I'm just going to show y'all. There is my Bible. I'm wondering, I've just got stacks of stuff over here is my problem. So I'm just going to go through and see what this was. I ordered this on Etsy. It's a chain to use with my Louis Vuittons. Let's see how it is. And I got this from Love You More store. And what she does is, it says it's a purse crossbody curb chain in gold, 120 centimeters for 47 inches. And it was $38.99. Yep. Okay, so that's that. And she certainly packaged it nice. She put it in a jewelry box, is what this looks like. Love You More store, she's taken some of her old Louis Vuitton purses, so they're real Louis Vuittons, and she's taken pieces of it and made it into other things. Oh, look at the little jewel on the ribbon. That's just a nice little touch. I'm going to use this for something. That's really nice. I see why she put it in a jewelry box. This is very, very nice. Okay, so this is not a Louis Vuitton chain, but it's the same style of catch, so it will look right on your Louis. And it's just it's a curb link chain. And it just, when you put this on, you know how you can unhook the leather and you can put this on, it just, and there's what the catches look like, which that's what the Louis Vuitton ones look like. She's not imprinted them Louis Vuitton, so there is no, absolutely no, what do you call it? Copyright infringement. It's just a similar style, but there's no imprint. But it will look right on your Louis. And I'm very excited about that, because what it does is when you put this on one of your smaller Louis purses, it just gives it more of a evening wear look. That's what I should say. I'm definitely going to keep that nice little box, don't y'all think? With the pretty little ribbon. Yeah, that was really cute. With a little jewel. I love people like this. Kathy's Cards is that way. She's here on YouTube, y'all. Definitely go check her out. Just does extra special things to make what you get a little bit nicer. Just a little bit nicer. A little bit more special. A little bit more detail. Very creative people do that. And I love that when people are like that. They're gifted to be like that and they're good at it. Oh, I love it. Okay, so I'm trying to put this back the way I got it so that I can use it again. Just the box. Okay. Then I was going to talk about, I kind of showed these quickly the other day, but I wanted to be able to show you the 3 color differences of the pinks that I got from Floss Gloss Limited Pro Nail Lacquer. And here is the 3 colors next to each other. I want to put them next to each other. You can see the difference. Because, like, first of all, if you just look at this, it's a pretty baby pink. And this is called Baby Baby. And then the next one is called Playa del Pink. I'm not crazy about all their names, but that's kind of more peachy pink. And then this one, I definitely hate the name, Malibu Job. Like Malibu, California. And I guess a lot of them do a lot of breast augmentations. And so that is definitely more of a hot pink. So when I line them up, you can see the color variation a little bit better. And I do like the little lid being that gold ribbing. Very much reminds me of Estee Lauder polishes. Very, very classy looking. And because they're short and the little brushes are short and very flat, it's very easy to put your nail polish on. So I really like that. That's what I got on today is the Malibu. What's this? Only 1 coat. I really need to put 2 on. It's a little, what's the word? You can see through it just a little. If you only do 1 coat. But that's just 1 coat. It's really good. I change out so much. Okay, and then the other thing is Magnolia Boulevard planner stickers. I've got some other planner stickers, but I love her stuff, and I'll tell you why. I went ahead, just because I like to keep my day planners each year to refer back to, and it's proved to be very, very helpful with my dad's health. Because sometimes I've had to look back. When was he in rehab? That was last year. I was like, no, it's actually 2 years ago. So it was good that I looked at it. Everyone knows I have no sense of time. But anyway, so this one is a New Year's one, and I wanted to put it on because I just think it's really, really pretty. So I'm going to go backward and put that on for 2019. So when I do that one, I'll show you. And then also for now, because it's that springtime, I got the bee one. And I just think this one is so fun. This is the one I'm going to be putting on for this week. And it is a queen bee and honeycombs and just, it's got special sticker added, some extra deco stickers here, and it says spring. So I'm definitely going to use that one. Out of all my sticker companies, Magnolia Boulevard is my absolute favorite. She has everything you need from headers and footers, from square boxes, from full boxes, decor pieces, extra filler. Just she has everything that you could possibly need. So I love her. I'm trying out these people. It's Who Delally Day. Who D-E-L-A-L-L-Y Day. Who Delally Day. And what I like about hers is she came, you know, a lot of them do this to protect their stickers. They'll put some sort of piece of cardboard or something in, but she also put it in donut paper. And I love the taste, the little detail, specialty things that these very creative ladies do. Okay, so Who Delally Day. This looks very thick, and that is because it's a lot. I ordered, I think, like 3 from her. Let's get these out. Let's see what these are. Let me go to full boxes so I can just show you. Oh, this is fun for like a vacation one. I really do like this. The Aloha. Look at this. Oh, such pretty colors. Look at that. Not pretty. And then with that, here is the checkoff page. This is the most important because this is the things to do. So these 2 together. And then all these little fun, you know, things to note. Doctor appointments, cleaning, groceries, driving, remember, flying, Facebook, Instagram posts for people that like me that need to post on a regular basis. Square boxes, an inordinate amount of those. Love it. And then these little extras down here for just adding things in. And then really important to me is I like no white space on my planner pages. And so these are two, the really thick size footers, and also headers for the days of the week so that you can make them match. And of course it takes up more of the white space. And she's got another little piece right in there that you could do long ways. And you've got these that you could do that way. Good night, woman. Look at this. Even more. Look at all these extra boxes down here. And these are the ones I like for meals, for YouTube videos I'm going to do, and then some little extras. Okay, so that's that one. And then she always gives you extra, like I showed you from the beginning, little decor pages. So here's the next one. These are the little decor pages. This is more for coming out of summer into fall. And it's like a little Parisian look, which I love. A little convertible, birdcage, light post, Eiffel Tower, bicycle, and then some little fall leaves. So you don't have to put the fall leaves in, and you could use it for anything. A little weekend sign. Another weekend banner. Look at all these little specials. And then extra stickers. There's a Eiffel Tower one, and the little planner stickers and coffee if you're going to go have coffee with a friend. Extra check mark and little flags and bows. Just little things to, you know, call your attention to something. Here's even more of them. Here's the days of the week, Monday through Sunday. More little coffees, party, payday, date night. What does that say? I can and I will. These are little tacks. That's cute to just like be a reminder. And this is for like, I guess, movie night. People do that. And then look at this. Beautiful full boxes and the matching check boxes. Love it. Very fall to me. I am going to save this for fall. Then look, again, these an inordinate amount of square boxes and other specialty boxes. Then there's the headers page and glitters and print and little extra right there. Then here's the meals for each day, YouTube planning, Instagram, Facebook. So these are just to remind someone, especially if you're like me, that you really need to be on a weekly basis updating, at least weekly, updating your Instagram and your Facebook.